Hey, what's up, everybody? EB Storm Store 487 is here. How things going? It's time for another Pokemon Trading Card Game Booster Pack opening video. This time I got two to open. Time to open this one. Oh yeah, and this Palmy. Now it's time to open that booster pack. Whoop. Now let's see what we got here. Is Dratini, Oddish, Finizen, Herdier, Buffalent, Crabominable, King Gabit, Dartrix, Sandulet. Oh, there's Thundurus and Electric Energy. Okay, time for the bonus. Oh, look! A holographic Riolu. And there's Hop. There's Misty Determination. There's Koga's Trap. And there's Brock's Pewter City Gym. Energy. Water. Steel. Electric. Bronzong. Gligar. Phantom, Sudowoodo, Bronzor, Electrike, Silcoon, Cascoon, Marini, oh, Tupakex, Cresselia, Pokemon Go Ambipom, Seadra, Wurmple, Clefairy, there's Apom, and there's Spinrack. Okay, that's it for the opening video. Hope you're having a wonderful day, everybody. Bye!